Traders, for today's analysis, I decided to cover, I will speak about the gold market. I will also speak about the crude oil and the euro versus US dollar. I will start with the gold market first. So just an update on my previous forecasts and my previous videos. As I said, basically the key pivot point and key pivot support was at 1790. And as I said, if the market can hold that during the FMC, which happened yesterday, probably we can see the upside breakout and breakout of 1810. And I also suggest if you see the breakout of 1810, watch for the market to move towards the 1824, and we already got that. We are already there right now. That's the first objective on this upside breakout. And then the next one, just let me delete this one. The next one will be at this zone at around 1830, 1831. So this is in case that we continue with upside movement. Now momentum is pretty strong. So I guess we can, for now, the odds are that we can actually go even towards 1830. So it's a fresh breakout. But intraday speaking, speaking of the 30-minute time frame and so, we reach some extreme. We are sitting in the upper Kelton at 30 minutes. So it's basically a way extreme for intraday opportunities. I don't like the location where we're trading in terms of new opportunities. But in case that you go if you enter this shakeout yesterday, this was a shakeout during the FOMC. Price made a low for the day, but rejected in closing the middle. The next bar is up. So this was a classical shakeout. And if you loaded some positions there, or maybe added some of this breakout, this tight consolidation at this stage, definitely scaling partial or even full position, but maybe also partial around 1823, like here, is interesting choice, and I will say it's a smart choice to scale at least half. But definitely to let potential upside, if you got this breakout we spoke about yesterday, then the second target objective to watch is 1832, which is 10 pips above the current, $10 above the current price. So there is no new opportunities right now. This is just an update for this buying scenario we spoke about. So eventual exiting around this stage is smart, around 1823, if not full then partial, and then waiting for that 1832, 1833. Eventually like a second objective there. That's the one thing. Most of the markets like euro, gold, crude oil, they reached this morning extremes, and potentially, and Australian dollar as well. They reached upper extremes, and basically also tons of the profit taking from yesterday evening after FMC traders, and this morning for the Asia session traders, right? So most today I will just update you with no new opportunities, unfortunately, but just to update you on something we spoke about in my previous yesterday. We spoke about these bull scenarios are likely to be in the play because of the falling wedge, and we already reached that first main objective around 1885. It's a good thing to scale some partial, if not full, and then wait to see if we can break this. If we can break this zone around 1890, then we can eventually even go towards the 1.1940 and 960, right? All the way up. So watch for pullbacks. Definitely pullbacks will be needed in order to produce any kind of a pullback play there. So now we hit extreme intraday on the 30-minute, hit extreme on the 2-hour and the 4-hour. So pullback will be needed there. And crude oil, which is we technically got a breakout of this kinda ascending triangle. We can say it's more like ascending triangle because of the rising lows and almost matching highs. But we're right now trying to retest. I guess if we can lose momentum on this pullback and basically the market to slow down this current downside tempo, we can still have some higher prices. I just don't like if the price will just keep going down with strong momentum downside and back into the consolidation. This can be actually a fake breakout then. For now, it looks like we don't have any slowdown in the tempo. And for now, it's not looking that good for this, for the pullback play, at least for now. So I will say waiting for some slowdown in tempo, losing the momentum, maybe some bull divergences or so. And if the price is still around that recent swing high from this consolidation, then still that can be interesting later during the day. If not, if you see just price continue its good momentum downside, and obviously this can be a fake one, and the opportunity will be actually, there will be no opportunity that I will like. So watch for this one, eventual pullback, but for now it's not looking that good, by the way. And just lower low, lower highs, and there's down bars there. That'll be all for today, guys. Hope that you enjoyed, and see you all tomorrow morning.